Mr. Speaker, the President of the United States.
President Joe Biden walked into a House divided for his second State of the Union address, signaled by the man sitting over his left shoulder, newly minted Republican Speaker of the House, Kevin McCarthy.
Speaker, I don't want to ruin your reputation, but I look forward to working with you.
But the 80-year-old president, citing a booming job market, was undeterred.
12 million new jobs, more jobs created in 2 years than any president's created in 4 years.
And Biden made the case that things would only continue to improve as his administration spent billions on infrastructure, greener power, and domestic semiconductor jobs, much of that paid for by bipartisan legislation done in the last Congress.
The people sent us a clear message. Fighting for the sake of fighting, power for the sake of power, conflict for the sake of conflict gets us nowhere.
Overall, the speech swayed back and forth between suggesting collaboration and drawing contrast. He urged Republicans to not risk crashing the economy by failing to raise the debt ceiling. And in one particularly poignant part, he openly sparred and joked with House GOP members over the future of Social Security and Medicare, which he says some have suggested cutting in the past.
Anybody who doubts it, contact my office. I'll give you a copy. I'll give you a copy of the proposal.
After the State of the Union, the Republican response was given by new Arkansas governor and former press secretary to President Trump, Sarah Huckabee Sanders. She painted a picture of a country in crisis, from migrants coming to the southern border to fentanyl overdose deaths on the rise to food and fuel prices that are still just too high.
From out-of-control inflation and violent crime to the dangerous border crisis and threat from China, Biden and the Democrats have failed you.
President Biden only briefly mentioned the suspected Chinese spy balloon he ordered shot down over the Atlantic. He's been taking criticism for Republicans for not acting sooner on that. And the president also ticked through a number of priorities he'd like to see passed in the House that really don't stand a chance now that Republicans are leading there, including total abortion access, an assault weapons ban, and new taxes. Live in the newsroom, Henry Rossoff, Pix 11 News.